Hello, my small children. How are you all? You know, someone special has come to meet us. Yes. Do you want to meet her? Okay, let's call her. She is Indy the butterfly. Hello, Indy. She is Indy the butterfly. She loves to drink nectar from the flower. She likes nectar from different flowers. One day, she went to her friend's house and saw a beautiful garden. Yes, she saw a beautiful garden. See how beautiful it is. Yes, so many flowers. Beautiful flower. He is Peru. He is Peru, the parrot, Indy's friend and the owner of the garden. ये गार्डन किसका है? पेरू द पैरेट का. ये गार्डन किसका है? पेरू द पैरेट का. और ये पैरेट कौन है? इंडी का फ्रेंड. इंडी का फ्रेंड. यस. द Indy, the butterfly, saw lot many beautiful flowers in the garden. Yes, she saw lot many beautiful flowers, beautiful and different flowers in the garden. Her favorite flowers are also there. Yes, her favorite flowers are also there. Do you want to know her favorite flowers? Yes. Okay, let me show you. Her favorite flowers are rose, daisy, marigold and periwinkle. Rose, daisy, marigold and periwinkle. Yes, she loves to drink the nectar from these flowers. She is so excited to see these flowers. लेकिन जो उसके फेवरेट फ्लावर्स थे वो एक के बाद एक लाइन में अरेंज थे. यस, एंड शी वांट्स टू ड्रिंक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम देम. यस, नाउ व्हाट टू डू? हाउ डिड आई ड्रिंक द नेक्टर? आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड, सेड इंडी द बटरफ्लाई. यस, देन Peru the parrot comes to help. He said, your favorite flower is arranged like this way that you have to skip one flower to go to them. Yes, तुम्हें एक फ्लावर को स्किप करना पड़ेगा और अपने फेवरेट फ्लावर के पास जाके नेक्टर लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, ड्रिंक आप कर सकते हो, ड्रिंक नेक्टर, लेकिन कैसे? आपको एक फ्लावर स्किप करना पड़ेगा. हाउ? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. ओके इंडी, I'll tell you how to do it. Your favorite flower is rose. So, to go to rose, we have to skip hibiscus. Okay, we have to skip hibiscus. अभी हम कहाँ पे खड़े हैं? We are standing in a point 0, जहाँ कोई भी flower नहीं है. We are standing in a point 0. So to go to rose, we have to skip hibiscus. Now you want to go to daisy, so we have to skip jasmine. We have to skip jasmine to go to daisy. Now, if you want to go to marigold, If you want to go to marigold, we have to skip tulip. We have to skip tulip. Now you want to go to periwinkle. Now if you want to go to periwinkle, we have to skip sunflower. We have to skip sunflower. Okay, now you understood? Yes, now I understand. Wow, it's awesome. It's like skip counting. Yes, Indy. Now you are correct. This is skip counting. We have to skip one number to go to our destination. Can we do it in a number line? Yes, Indy. We'll do it in a number line. We'll do this skip counting in a number line. Okay, let's go. Now I will going to explain skip counting by number line. Okay, see, we are standing in a 0 point, point 0. We want to go to 2. We want to go to 2. So we'll skip 1. We want to go to 2. We'll skip 1. Now again we want to go to 4. So we'll skip 3. We'll skip 3. Now again we want to go to 6. We'll skip 5. We want to go to 8. We'll skip 7. We want to go to 10. We'll skip 9. So this is skip counting by 2. This is skip counting by 2. The second number is our destination. The second number is our destination. So we'll skip one number and go to our destination. Okay, we'll skip one number and go to our destination. That is why this is skip counting by 2. This is skip counting by 2. The second number is our destination. हमारा destination या हमारा place जहाँ पे हम जाना चाहते हैं. हम 0 पे खड़े हैं. हमको कहाँ जाना है? 2 के पास. तो we'll skip मतलब हम 1 को skip करेंगे. मतलब हम उसको छोड़ देंगे. हम सीधे डायरेक्टली किसके पास जाएंगे? 2 के पास जाएंगे. अगेन हम 3 को स्किप करेंगे, फिर 4 के पास जाएंगे. तो 4 इज अवर डेस्टिनेशन. दिस इज स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 2. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. This is me, your Sushmita ma'am, is signing off. Bye bye. Take care.